Ayaw niya, sir. Okay lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids! Okay, walang bayad ang smile. Smile muna tayo. Smile. Ayan, smile Snow White. Ang ganda naman. Okay, ngayon. For our first game, before anything else, kids, do you understand Tagalog? No. Huwag ka mahihirapan sa your mami Carla, dagdagan mo na lang ha. Okay, joke lang.
Yes daw, yes.
Okay, yes daw. Okay, for our game, kids, we explain the mechanics. Before we explain, we divide you into two groups. Okay, i-divide namin kayo sa dalawang grupo. Okay, this time, the name of your group is Team A, and the name of your group is Team B. What's the name of your group? Team A. What's the name of your group? Team B. Okay, for our game, who wants to be the leader for the Team A? Raise your hand. Tasa kamay. Okay, what's your name? What's your name? Ano po pangalan niya? Shin. Okay, si Shin na ang magiging leader for the Team A. For the Team B, who wants to be the leader? Wants to be the leader? Raise your hand. Nasa kamay. Okay, what's your name? Si Sky. No, si Snow White ba siya? Si Sky na at si Shen ang ating leader para sa bawat grupo. Listen to your on. The game is share your blessing game, okay? At the mechanics, listen, eyes here, look here, eyes here. Okay, you need to go to your mommy, daddy, ate, kuya, tito, tita to collect any kinds of coins. Either 50 piso, 5 piso, 10 coins, or 20 coins. All you need to do, you need to collect any kinds of coins and put here to our magic cup. Okay, mukhang inaantok yung mga kids natin, oh. Ito mula lang si Shen. Okay, ngayon, Team A at Team B. Paano kung walang coins? Pwede tayo mag-collect ng paper bills. Pero lahat ng coins at paper bills na makokollect ninyo, hindi na natin ibabalik. Wala nang balikan, okay? Team A at Team B, are you ready? Yes or yes? Yes na yes, yes. 60 seconds. In my mark. Set. And go! Lapit na kayo mga pinasali. Go, 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 go! Back to your group. Okay. Ako na tayo kung kuha ng coins. Ano na gagawin? Balik mo yung dito, baby girl. Okay. Tinignan ko kung sinong pinakamarami ng correct na coins. Patingin. Okay, Shanat. Okay, Sky. Dahil ang panalo for our game, walang iba kundi ang team. Thank you so much. Dahil dyan, hindi na kami mag-jeep. Mag-grab na kami. Thank you sa pamasahe. Panalo ang Team B! Congratulations! Siyempre, hindi pa tayo tapos. Gusto ko maghawak-hawak kayo ng kamay. Hold your hands together and create one big circle. Hold your hands together. Okay, one big circle. Ready? Okay.
Circle.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, hands down. Okay? No more holding hands na po. No more holding hands na. Hands down. Okay, when I said, shake your hands up. Shake your hands up like this. Shake your hands up. Dalawang kamay. Shake your hands up. Shake your hands down. Shake your body. 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 Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Very good. The magic word for today is happy birthday, Abby. What is the magic word for today?
Happy birthday, Abby!
Gusto ko yung mas malakas.
Happy birthday, Abby!
Shake your arms up, shake your arms down. Shake your body, shake your body, shake your body, shake your body. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. What is the magic word for today?
Happy birthday, Abby!
Gusto ko yung mas malakas.
Happy birthday, Abby!
Gusto ko yung pinakamalakas.
Happy birthday, Abby!
Okay, kulat.
Hi, Benny! Yung birthday! Ay! Yan! Yan! Ay!
Okay, sa inyo na yung mga coins sa happy birthday. Hindi na sila magkanta umaga sa sobrang dami ng coins. Oh, give it to your mommy and daddy. Or the
Oh, you get pa! You get pa! You get pa! Dali!
Bakit na yan? Dami ko dali! Get the coins mo!
Kakain, lima-lima, tigil-lima.
Ayan na, dali, 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 dali.
Mataba pa!
Sa inyo yun ang makasabi.
Lima-lima, balik na sa akin eh.
Okay, thank you so much, kids. Go to your mommy and daddy na.
Tayo pa,
Ibigay yung mga coins. At bills kay mommy and daddy. Thank you so much. At after ibigay yung mga coins
Good
at
job.
bills, sanitize
Good
your
job.
hands and alcohol your hands. Okay, sanitize your hands and alcohol. At balik ang team A at team B dito sa center. Okay. Balik tayo dito sa center for our next game. Come here, team